Hi there. Today we're going to talk about lucidchart. It's a Google app. You can get it through the web store and just add it to your Google apps. It's a really useful app for laying out instruction. I found it really helpful last semester in our instructional design class. So once you open it up, there's a couple things one decision you have to make. You can use a template or you can create from blank. The templates are nice if you have a certain type of chart in mind. You see these kinds of things here, and then there's you can go business analysts. There's education stuff, Venn diagrams, all kinds of different things. So today we're gonna just go with blank. We'll just go with a blank one, just to give you an idea of how it works. Over here you have your five most used uh, items. You have a text box, and you have a text block that you can, gives the item some shape. And it's really easy to start. You just basically just grab onto the thing that you want to use, click it, and drag it over, and put it where you want it. To put the text in, you just click on the center there, and you can start typing. So if you were trying to lay out some objectives, you could just put in your objective like that. Once you get the box down, you have when you go to the corners, you can use, or like this, you can move it around. Um, you can also use this to rotate it if you want it to be a different rotation. You can also make it bigger, smaller. And one of the things that's really nice is when you bring in another item like this, is it helps you lay it out in a way that it's all even, and you can make them the same size as the one that's next to it, so it looks nice, um, like that. The other thing that's kind of cool is when you get here, is you can just you click on that, and you can draw arrows like that. So if you have a decision that needs to be made or something like that, you can say, here's my objective, and then there's this diamond shaped one here that is you can use for decision. Um, so you have your objective and you have your decision you go to, and then you can, send your decision to two choices. When you do that and leave it blank, it automatically sets up a little template for you to do how you would like. You can also write text in the lines there. Um, if we have a yes no decision like this, you have yes no, and you can switch those. On these boxes, to type, to change the text, you just double click on the thing, and you can write in a question or something like that if you're making a decision that way. The other thing you can do, is add you can add color, um, just like you would kind of like with the old paint programs. You can add color, you can put in graphics, use some metrics and things like that. You can also make it a presentation so that the pieces move in as you lay them out. Over here on the left, we've got all the different kinds of shapes and things that you can use in containers. They have them labeled as types of things, which is really helpful. If you want something to say, well, you make this decision and then you go to and you choose this document, you can make it a document. Or if you're referring to a database, there's a shape for that. Um, so kind of really helpful way to lay out any chart of any kind. Anyways, that is lucidchart. I think that you will find that it's very helpful, and that's it.